Hi, this is Gary Kay. We're back in Vegas at the Extron's AV Technology Open House. I'm here with Roy Hermanson. Roy, how you been?
Excellent, Gary. Good to see you.
Good to see you too. And one of the things we're going to talk about today is USB. Everyone's using USB is a hot thing. Everyone's got cameras are USB, mics are USB now, computers now. A lot of people are taking USB out of computers. And you've got a new docking station, among other things.
Correct. The device we have, the UCS 601, is that rAVe solution for a docking station. In the past, people try to take the one that came with a computer and they try to mount it. It wasn't designed to be mounted. So we have a simple enclosure here. And by the way, it comes with a zip clip mounting adapter to put it in. And you've got the ability to bring in a USB-C signal, and that's going to bring in DisplayPort, alt mode, video, and audio.
So you got USB on this side.
And it has then the HDMI out to handle it. But at the same time, we also are going to feed power back to the USB device, and by meaning that up to 60 watts.
So you can power a laptop and keep it up.
Or a tablet or something like that, and we initially communicate, we'll negotiate, does it need power or not, and go from there. And then for the USB side, on the front of the device, you've got 3 USB connections. So if it's a camera, mic, or speakerphone all in one combo or something like to handle that and make it happen. So, and indicator lights, which is an important thing to know if you have a signal or not on the device itself.
So for UC space, this would be awesome. It goes out, and the output is HDMI, so you connect it straight up to a monitor.
Correct. And where it wins there, Gary, is that you have a room that already had HDMI and a table, and now they all got new laptops that had Thunderbolt or USB-C or a tablet. You have a box that solves that problem and gives you USB as well.
So you have a larger kind of version. This one's a switcher, though.
Correct. The switcher is a 303 because you have an HDMI signal. You may have a DisplayPort signal, but you're going to have a USB-C signal, and you're going to have the ability to switch them by control. You could also put it in auto switch mode, and at the same time in a room, you could trigger the display to turn on or off right from the box itself without an external control system to have that capability. The same thing is true of the routing. We're going to handle the USB, and we'll also supply that up to 60 watts of power it's required for that. It also comes with contact in, so you could use our Teamwork Show Me cables, and if you wanted to add some automation into the room, you have an input here, and you have power for an occupancy sensor, like our OCS series, to drive that. So it really can mount easily under a table or in a rack or something and provide all the solutions you need for that room.
So just to mention this too, if you look, this is input 1 is HDMI, input 2 is DisplayPort, input 3 is USB-C. Ultimately, the output is HDMI with CEC control, which is nice. So if you don't even have to have that control.
You could plug this in right there to a display, and if CEC is enabled, we could set up to turn it on and turn it off the display.
And you can use an external controller, or you have input. I need one of these right now for the live stuff I do in my office. So this is a perfect.
And auto switch capability as well at the same time, all built into that. Have that. So again, it is also a future-looking and capability. And again, the USB is breakaway in there as well. So definitely a hot product. And everyone who sees one used to ask, "Hey, can I evaluate one?" No, you're going to buy one, and they buy one.
Yeah.
So at that point, because it hits all the marks. And
so it works. That's part of your USB-C solutions. You can learn more about it at extron.com. Roy, it's good to see you, man.
Good to see you, Gary.
Take care, and thanks for watching.